In this video, I will show you how to do masking transition in Premiere Pro. Select the clip and find the starting point of the movement. Then go to Effect Control, scroll down to Opacity and click on this free draw icon. And use this here to zoom out a little bit, to get it with no mistakes. Now start drawing your mask. After you draw your mask, click on Inverted. Now the next step is to toggle these keyframes right here. Then, to soften the line of the mask, turn the feathering up to around maybe 30 or 40, play around with it, and also change the expansion. Now all you have to do is click on the right arrow and draw your mask frame by frame. If you try to skip each frame and it's not doing it, click the section here with your mouse and then do it again. This should fix the problem. And make sure this side of the mask line is always covering the full frame. Now, when the whole mask is done, go to the start and check if you have some empty mask showing. Then drag this out of the frame. And finally, move your video above and bring the second video and put it under it. And that's it. You have a masking transition. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips and like the video. And as always, stay creative. See you in the next one. Peace out.